back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today's show is about a quick hors d'oeuvre. You have people coming over and you want something to give them to get them started while you make other ingredients and things. This is really easy. All you do is take a cookie sheet and some parchment paper. You need a bag of tortilla chips, and you need cheese. Pick your kinds of cheese, whether you want mozzarella, you want a mix, a parmesan. Some of these Mexican taco mixes have like 3 kinds of cheeses and they're really good. And you can mix them up too. There's nothing that says you have to do them all in one. To get started on this, we need to break out our tortilla chips. And you literally just take the tortilla chips and lay them on top of the cookie sheet. This is the easiest recipe you will ever make. And I'm just using the end of the bag for these. Just me, since opening a brand new bag, I'll wait till the company comes and make this again for them. So I just do it like that. Then I take olive oil, non-aerosol spray, and I just spray like this. That'll help me brown up. Then take your pick of cheese. So here's the 3 type of cheese combination. Sprinkle. The oil helps it stick. That one's dead. This one's open. This is the Monterey Jack. Kind of breaking it up with my fingers in the bag so that it's loose. It kind of wants to chunk up sometimes. A little bit of cheese is good. A lot of cheese is better. More cheese the better. Straighten out the parchment paper so you don't have to do so much work in the cleanup. Here we go. All you do now is take and throw these in a 350-degree oven until the cheese is melted. Well, the tortilla chips are fresh out of the oven and they look really, really good. So I'm going to let them cool and then I'm going to give them a try. So that's a quick show tip. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye for now.